I love Halloween, all the costumes, candy, pumpkins, going to the pumpkin patches, spiders, cobwebs, pumpkin spice drinks. All of my favorite candies are Twix, Skittles. Wait, what are you supposed to be?
A werewolf. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Rawr, rawr.
Seriously, this is gonna be the best Halloween ever. Do you want to check out the creepy basement under Cool Beans Cafe?
Wait, they have a creepy basement?
Oh yeah, it's haunted. Let's go.
Are you guys here to check out the spooky basement?
Yeah.
I heard it's haunted. The entrance is right back that way.
What was that?
What was that?
What was that? It's just fake. Dexter, what are you doing here?
I heard you guys were coming down here, so I was gonna scare you guys.
Whatever.
Hey, you guys wanna go get drinks?
Yeah. Best Halloween ever. Plus, these drinks are amazing.